Welcome to the video on carb cycling for muscle gain. In this video, we will explore the tips and tricks to effectively incorporate carb cycling into your muscle building journey. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, let's quickly understand what carb cycling is. Carb cycling is a nutritional strategy that involves alternating between high-carb and low-carb days to optimize muscle growth and fat loss. The first step in carb cycling for muscle gain is determining your daily carb intake. This can vary based on factors such as your body weight, activity level, and goals. Consult a nutritionist or use online calculators to calculate your ideal carb intake. On high-carb days, you'll consume a higher amount of carbohydrates to provide energy for intense workouts and support muscle growth. Focus on healthy carb sources like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. On low-carb days, you'll reduce your carb intake to promote fat burning and enhance insulin sensitivity. This helps prevent fat gain while still providing enough energy for workouts. Choose lean protein sources and healthy fats to make up for the reduced carb intake. Timing your carb intake is crucial for optimal muscle gain. Prioritize consuming carbs around your workouts to fuel your training and aid in recovery. Additionally, have a post-workout meal rich in carbs to replenish glycogen stores. To make the most of carb cycling, monitor your progress regularly. Keep track of your strength gains, body composition changes, and overall performance. Adjust your carb intake based on your progress and goals. In conclusion, carb cycling can be an effective strategy for muscle gain. By strategically alternating between high-carb and low-carb days, you can optimize your nutrition and body composition. Experiment with different approaches, monitor your progress, and find what works best for you.